Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section, and this is Use a Bezier curve to move a graphic. A previous challenge discussed the ease out keyword that describes an animation change that speeds up first and then slows down at the end of the animation. On the right, the difference between the ease out keyword for the blue element and linear keyword for the red element is demonstrated. Similar animation progressions to the ease out keyword can be achieved by using a custom cubic Bezier curve function. In general, changing the P1 and P2 anchor points drives the creation of different Bezier curves, which controls how the animation progresses through time. Here's an example of a Bezier curve using values to mimic the ease out style. Animation timing function, cubic Bezier, has 0, 0, 0.58, and 1. Remember that all cubic Bezier functions start with P0 at 0, 0 and end with P3 at 1, 1. In this example, the curve moves faster through the y-axis, starts at 0, goes to P1 y value of 0, then goes to P2 y value of 1, then it moves through the x-axis, 0 to start, then 0 for P1, up to 0.58 for P2. As a result, the change in the animated element progresses faster than the time of the animation for that segment. Towards the end of the curve, the relationship between the change in x and y values reverses. The y value moves from 1 to 1, no change, and the x value moves from 0.58 to 1, making the animation changes progress slower compared to the animation duration. To see the effect of this Bezier curve in action, change the animation timing function of the element with the ID of red to a cubic Bezier function with x1, y1, x2, y2 values set respectively to 0, 0, 0, 0.58, and 1. This will make both elements progress through the animation similarly. So we go here, it said ID red, that would be there, and they want us to change the animation timing function from linear to cubic Bezier, and it's going to have 0, 0, 0, 0.58, and 1. And with there, and we can see that it did apply it, and it does make both elements progress through the animation similarly, as opposed to how it was before. Let me just copy that, undo this. There's linear, and then here is with the cubic Bezier function. Let's run that. We did pass. So we're still just practicing with the Bezier function in this lesson. We are seeing the effects of this Bezier curve in action here. And again, I would just practice changing the values in here and seeing what happens. There's a pretty good explanation right here, so maybe reread that a couple times if you're still not getting it while you play with the values. But pretty much that's it for this lesson. I'll see you guys in that next one.